What's up? I'm Gears to Snore, and that's the Leonardo Motel. And no, we're not going back to the quick stop where they filmed Clerks. We're going to Moby's in Highlands, New Jersey. And I've got Nico and Ray with me. This place looks great. The food looked incredible. Got great reviews. And I've been itching to go down the shore. Oh wait, no, that's not him. I've been itching to go down the shore all summer long. I thought I might have been the one, the only, the Flying Ride 15 going past me there, but I don't think so. Siren Seafood, huh? And that's what we're going to get today, seafood. Like my videos, if you could give it a thumbs up, I'd appreciate it, or leave a comment. I may drop this video next week. Today is September 12th or 13th. Man, even this month's flying by. If you don't know, Highlands, New Jersey is a very nice area down by the water. Yeah, everybody's out on their bike getting it in. I will tell you, I have a feeling, and I rode this in the winter because I bought it in February, man. Really missed that lowrider ST fairing sometimes, and I was like, oh yeah, it really doesn't do too much. Boy, was I wrong. We just entered Atlantic Highlands, it looks like. It says we're about 8 minutes away. My Cardo's playing that song, phone disconnected, phone connected again. Man, look at these houses, huh? I'm moving back down here. I just gotta figure out where I can find a place to live and how close it is to the train down here. That was a dope lowrider ST, and had the lights in the fairing. That Fast Johnny, man, that was a cool paint setup, blue and white. Something about every time I'm down here, I'm in a good mood. There's a lot of bikes up there. I wonder what they're doing. Yeah, I don't know. I know they said, like, I guess being by the water is relaxing or something. Man, I like it down here. I like the smell, I like the scenery, I like the roads. I'm not too far from everybody I know, and maybe one day I'll meet that Miss Gears to Snore. She'll come down here with me. She'll go on the back. She'll say, can we get a motorcycle closer to the ground? I'll be right. Damn right we can, baby girl. So I'm that kind of romantic. We haven't seen any muscle cars out today. Alright, we're 4 minutes out now. Oh, that was a nice bump there. stretch them legs, boy. Yeah. You ever get all anxious on your motorcycle and you have to sit still riding it? I don't know, maybe I just had too much coffee today, but I'm like, all right, I'm ready to get off now. I'm ready to walk around. Oh yeah, it smells salt water. Brings me back to a simpler time where men were men and women were women, and the cable box had a cable. MTV played music. And we just entered Highlands. Atlantic Highlands and Highlands are two different towns, by the way. Oh yeah, we're going over the bridge, baby. Yeah, that's like the nicest police department building I've ever seen. No, I was gonna say, is that one person's house? Yeah, look at these houses. Oh, I'd buy that house in a heartbeat. Oh, I don't think we're going over the bridge. Oh, that's a shame. It's like we're right. Where the bridge takes you, guys? Is that it? Yep. Yeah, it's freaking really nice down here. Yeah, see the bay down here? And there's Moby's. There's a guy fishing. Just like that, we're leaving Moby. And let me tell you something. Holy friggin' crap, did not expect that. We got 6 clams, huge. It was like $6 or 10 or something. It was very reasonable. They were huge and they shucked them right in front of us. We got what's called the foot-long sea dog. It's basically battered fish. Oh my God, was it good. And the fries were out of this world. And I got beer. It's their beer, Moby's beer. It's fantastic. Nico got the same thing with sangria, and Ray got a cheeseburger, sorry, and he loved it too, and he liked the sangria. Did not expect it to be that cheap, that friggin' good, and you can sit in the back and watch the boats go by. If I was giving places a scale according to like a letter grade, that place would get like an A+. I'm telling you, it was fantastic. And the staff were super nice and friendly. They're not open all year long though. I think she said something like Mother's Day to almost Halloween. But yeah, I can't, I'm just taken back on what a good experience that was. And that was Moby's in Highlands, New Jersey. Straight, just come down 36, and right before you go over the bridge, hook a right and left. And if you made it this far, I am a very happy Gears of Snore, and I thank you for coming along for the ride. Come back next Friday around 3 p.m. I'll drop another video for you to watch.